Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2014 genuine Scooter Co. STELLA 125. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2014 genuine Scooter STELLA 125 with 463 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with a luggage rack and luggage rails and a windshield. Powered by a 125cc single-cylinder engine, the STELLA puts stable power through a CVT transmission. It has a 32.2-inch seat height and a 256-pound dry weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the STELLA will need new tires. As mentioned above, this vehicle does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this scooter's charging output at 12 volts, the front tire at 930 seconds, and the rear at 730 seconds. We took the scooter for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the crash bar is not secured properly. We've posted the service repair order for the scooter so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this scooter's age and mileage, we only point out large areas of damage. We highly recommend looking closely at all the pictures in the listing or seeing this vehicle in person. There's corrosion on the floorboards, corrosion on the front cargo rack, corrosion on the rear fender, and a tear in the rider's seat. The scooter has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. The scooter is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.